Hello everyone, my name is Avi Vekaria. My ID number is 21DC149. My topic is pipeline. Pipelining. A pipelining is a serial of stage where some work is due at each stage in pipe. A stage are communicated one to the next from pipe interesting enter and one end process through the stage and exit at the other end. And next is pipelining case. And for load of rendering that need to work, dry and fold. As a 30 minutes to wash, 40 minutes to dry and 20 minutes to fold. We have one wash, one dryer and one fold state. So what's the more efficient way to get for load of rendering done? In this example, no pipeline we saw in image. First work is completed and then start second work and this is completed and then start third one and then start fourth one. So that work complete in 4 hours with no pipeline using. And second is with using pipeline. We saw in figure first one not complete but second was is start. This method is pipeline rendering. This work is done at 9:30 hours. Pipeline definition. Pipeline is a speedy technique where multiple instructions are overlapped in execute are processed. Pipeline processors, computer like memory, library, program their exact same script for every instruction. This fetch an instruction for memory, decode the instruction, execute the instruction, read memory to get input, write the result back to memory. Instruction pipeline. Instruction execution process lend itself natural to pipeline. Overlap the backtick of test fetch, decode and execute. Instruction pipeline has 6 operations. First is FI. FI is fetch instructions. Second is DI. DI means decode instruction. And third is CO. CO means calculation operation. And next is FO. Fetch operation. Next is EI. Receive instruction. And last is WI. Write results. Overlap this operation. Instruction fetch. The FI stage is responsible for ability to restore instruction from memory. The instruction and the program inputs are stored in the register as a temporary storage. Decode instruction. The DI stage is responsible for decoding an instruction and send out of various control line and the out part of the process. Calculate operation. The CO stage is where any calculation are performed. The main component is this stage is the ALU and the ALU made up of ultimate logging and capability. Fetch operands and execute instruction. The FO and EA stage are responsive for string and loading value to and from memory. They are responsible for input and output from processing represented. Right. The WO stage is responsible for writing the result of a calculation's memory access and input into the register file. And this is diagram. 6-stage instruction pipeline diagram. First starts is fetch instruction and next is DI decode instruction and next is operand, and next is branch in this branch. Yes, so this move to update PC, and no, so this next FO fetch operand, and next EI execute instruction, and WO write operations, and last check branch is yes, so this get update put in empty pipe return first, and no, then returns. Timing diagram for instruction pipeline operations. This is we saw in this figure. This is a timing diagram instruction people. First instructions is execute start here, and the second parts second instruction is start. The line by line start is a parallel. Pipeline performs clock and timing. We saw in this figure the clock and timing. Clock cycle of the pipeline is denoted in this loch diary is D, pipeline frequency F, and this that formula is max lambda and M plus D, and then F means this. Pipeline performance and speed up and efficiency. A k-stage pipeline process n task in k plus n minus 1 clock cycles. K cycles for the first task and n minus 1 cycle for the remaining n minus 1 tasks. Total time to process n task. Its formula is this: T1 Tk is equal to main bracket k plus small bracket n minus 1 lambda. For the non-pipeline process, T1 is equal to nk lambda. Speed up effect Sk is equal to T1 divided by Tk is equal to last is a nk divided by k plus small bracket n minus 1. Advantage of pipeline. Pipeline make efficient use of resource, quick time of execute of large number of instructions, and parallelism is invite to a program. Then last topic is, can pipeline get us into turbo? Yes, pipeline structure hierarchy attempt to us the same results by two different instructions at the same time. Data is attempt to us data before it is read, and instructions source operation are processed a previous instruction still in the pipeline. And third is control errors. Attempt to make a guess about program control flow because the condition has been voted and this new PC target address calculate. This is branch executions. Can always resolve errors by writing. In this pipeline control must it and highest and take some reasons highest. So our topic is completed. Thank you.